In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact customer support in Triumph. Here's how it works. Load up the Triumph app, and then you will need to click on Profile found in the bottom right corner. Now from here, all you need to do is select Settings in the top right, and you will see Customer Support Questions or Concerns. Click on it, and here you will see all of your messages. You have the option of getting help from the frequently asked questions. We're going to click on messages and then send us a message, and you will need to choose how they can help you. So what are gems for? My game never started, I had an error in my game, so on and so forth. Other, here you have the option of other as well. You will basically go and fill out this questionnaire essentially before it connects you to the correct customer support representative, and that is how you contact customer support in Triumph. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.